है गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारा चैप्टर 2 दैट इज़ कंप्यूटेशन ऑपरेशंस। इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डू एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन अप टू 5 डिजिट नंबर, सम एंड डिफरेंस ऑफ रोमन नंबर, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, एलसीएम, एचसीएफ, प्राइम फैक्टर, all these things we will do in this chapter. So let's move to question number 1. Question number 1 is which of the following shows the common factors of 20 and 25. We know that common factor means ऐसे numbers जिसको जिनसे अगर this if we divide these two numbers from that those numbers, the both numbers can be divided fully. There will be no remainder. Okay. So if we move to option A, that is 2 and 5, 25 is not divisible by 2. So option A is not a correct answer. Move to question option B, that is 2 and 3. Again, 20 and 25 both are not divisible by 2 and 3. If we move to option C, 1 and 5, 20 and 25 both, if we divide them with 1, both are divisible. If we divide 20 by 5, it is divisible. 25 divisible by 5, yes, both. So number 1 and 5 both can divide the number 20 and 25. So option C is our correct answer. Moving to question number 2, what should be added to the 54,368 to get sum 1,36,542? So we know that we are adding two numbers, so let's assume first number is x and the second number is given, that is 54,368. After addition we are getting 1,36,542. we know that if we are changing the side, so the sign will change. So if we bring this number towards the right hand side, the sign will be negative. So x will be as it is, 1,36,542 minus 54,368. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. Here we took a borrow, so here this number is 3. So 13 minus 6 will be 7. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So you don't have to subtract further, you just check whether it is matching with any option. Here if we see option B is having 174 at the end of the answer, so our option B will be correct answer. We have to save time, so we like this we have to check our answers, so it's the best method to save the time. Moving to question number 3, on subtracting the sum of 24,025 and 22,534 from sum of 54,936 and 28,120, we get what we have to do. First we have to add these two numbers and we have to add these two numbers separately, and what is the next step? After the addition result, we will get some result. That result we have to subtract from this addition. So let's solve the question. So here number provided are 24,025, another number is 22,534, another pair is 54,936 and 28,120. So we have to add these two numbers separately. So what is the result we are getting? 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 2 5, 5, 4 plus 2 6, 2 2 4, 6, 3 plus 2 5, 0, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 3, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So what is the next step? We have to subtract the sum. Subtract means we have to subtract this sum from this number. So 46,559, if we subtract, what we will get? 16 minus 9, what is the 16 minus 9? It will be 7. 14 minus 5 will be 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Again check if we are getting it. So in option D we are getting 497 in the option, we are having this. So option D is our correct answer. If you want to solve further, you can solve. It will be 12 minus 6, 6, 7 minus 4, 3. So we got our answer. Okay, so move to the question number 4. In the given abacus, if we remove 4 bits from thousands place, 3 bits from tens place, 5 bits from ones place, then the number formed is equal to. ये हमें नंबर गिवन है, पहले हमें क्या करना है, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द नंबर. सो द नंबर इज 2 5 6 3 5. Okay, now let's move to the conditions. If we remove 4 bits from thousands place, so thousand place हमारा क्या है, ये नंबर हमारा थाउजेंड प्लेस पे है. सो वी हैव टू रिमूव 4 बिट्स. सो 4 बिट्स को रिमूव करेंगे तो ये नंबर आपका कितना रह जाएगा, 1. 100 प्लेस को हमें टच नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू रिमूव 3 बिट्स फ्रॉम टेंस प्लेस. So 6 will come as it is. 3 bits we are removing from tens place and 5 bits from ones place. So 5 bits को हमने remove कर दिया ones place से. So ये आपका क्या बन के आ गया है, this is your new number. अभी we have to check क्या जो नंबर बनेगा वो कौन से ऑप्शंस के साथ आपके साथ मैच कर रहा है. अभी हमें क्या करना है कि एक एक नंबर को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल टेक टू मच टाइम. ओके, इट्स टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. सो वी हैव टू टीच किड्स कि कैसे हम ऑप्शंस को क्यू से बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर इफ वी सी 9 4 जा it will be 36. So but we need 21. So we don't have to multiply this. Sorry, here now we go. So here what we do, we wanted this 26,600 number. Here if we multiply 9 and 4 we will get 36. No, we need 21. It's too much from this number, so we don't have to multiply. If we move to the next number 230 into 140, we can go for the option, we can try, that is 230 if we multiply it 140. So what we will get, okay, so if we go with the small kids method like 0 then 0 0, it is time consuming. What we can say, tell them forget about these two zeros, what they can multiply 23 and 14 simply. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 9, it will be 3 2, so 2, and we can add these two zeros at the end. This number we are getting when we are multiplying 230 with 140. So this is also not our option. If we move to option C, so option C is also, we can make it out of the line. How? We need 2 0, means at the ones place and tens place we need 0. Here we have only 1 0, and if we multiply the number 7 and 6 we are not getting 0. So this number also we don't have to multiply. Move to the option D, that is 150, multiply it with 144. This is our answer. We don't have to multiply. All these options are out of the line, so option D is our correct answer. Next is, how many multiples of 12 are there between 50 and 200? So in these kind of questions we are not going to check the multiplication like 12. We will not write table of 12 and then we will not go further of multiplication. Okay, here we know that first what is the short trick for this question. Here we need multiple of 12. between 12 के मल्टीपल क्या है हमारा 24, 36, 48 and 60. So first we will see कि which multiple is greater than this smaller number, that is 50. So if we do 12 4 ja, it will be 12 4 ja 48. This number is less than 50. So let's move to the next number, that is 12 into 5, it will be 60. This is greater than 50. So this is our first multiple of 12 which we will consider for the series. Now what we have to do, we have to find the biggest number which will be less than the 200, multiple of 12 which will be less than 200. So अब हमें देखना है कि if we do 12 tens it will be 120. If we go for 12 13, so it will be less than. Let's check 12 and 14 multiplication. 12 4 ja 48, 12 plus 4 168. This is also less. Next move, let's check 12 into 15. So 12 5 ja 60, 12 plus 6 will be 180, Now this is also less. We have to check the biggest multiple of 12, which will be less than this 200. Okay, so 12 into 16, let's check. So 12 6 are 72, 12 plus 7 will be, so this is our number 192. So if we go further multiplication, that is 17, 12 7s are 84, 12 plus 8 will be 204. Okay, so this number is greater than 200, so we will not consider it. So this is our last multiple of 12, which is coming between 50 and 200. So what is the trick? Now this was our multiple, which was, this was our first factor which was greater than 50, which was coming between 50 and 200. So consider it as A. Okay, and we will consider this as B. So formula to calculate the multiple, how many multiples will come between any number. Okay, so formula is B minus A plus 1. So that will be your correct answer. So what is B here? B is 16 minus A. Minus A. What is A? A is 5. So 5 plus 1. So कितना आ गया आपका? 16 minus 5 will be 11 plus 1, it's 12. So what is the option? Option C. So option C is our correct answer for such kind of questions. Okay, you can solve any question. It is not like if we are taking the multiple of 12, then only this formula we can do. No, if suppose you are taking multiple of 15, then also you can use the same formula. Try this formula and then tell me whether it is applicable or is it helpful or not. Your suggestions are most welcome. Moving to question number 6, select the correct option. So here we are adding 0 and result is 23,646. That is wrong. If we multiply 950 with 110 और इसको अगर हम रिवर्स करके भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो रिजल्ट विल बी सेम, लाइक यू आर मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 5 or you are multiplying 5 into 3, result will be 15 only. So this is our correct option. We don't have to go for the other options. Now question number 7, which of the following option do not shows the sum is greater than 384 but less than 500? अगेन अब यहाँ पे क्या है हमारा, ये रोमन नंबर्स आ गए हैं. वी हैव टू सॉल्व यूजिंग द रोमन नंबर. In previous lectures we have done classes on Roman numbers, how to calculate and what are the values. So we will in this series we will simply add the put the values. We know the value of C is 100, so we have 2C, so it will be 200 plus V. V is 5 and I की value 1 होती है, we have 3, so I, so it will be 3 plus CC again 200, value of L is 50 and IX is a special pair and its value is 9. So what is the result here? So 200, 200, 400, 450, 450 plus 9 plus 8, it will be 467. Okay, so which of the following option हमें क्या निकालना है? Do not. So do not, this is coming between 384 and 500, so this is not our option. Move to the next, that is CD. CD, the value of D is 500 minus 100, so this is the CD. Okay, plus C. C की वैल्यू कितनी है आपकी? 100. It is giving 500. It is not, it is equal to 500. We wanted sum less than 500. So option B is our correct answer for this question number 7. Next is question number 8. Find the value of bat and ball. If this, how many bats are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bats are given and value of 5 bat is equal to 2625 and 1 bat minus 1 ball is given 297. सो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि ये आपके पास कितने बैट हैं? 5 बैट्स हैं. सो 5 बैट्स हैं तो आप लिख सकते हो 5 बैट इज इक्वल टू, व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू? 2625 25, दिस इज़ द वैल्यू गिवन। सो वैल्यू ऑफ 1 बैट क्या हो जाएगी, इसको अगर हम डिवाइड कर देंगे तो आपके पास 1 बैट का रेट आ जाएगा। सो 2625 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 विल बी 525. This is the value of 1 bat. Okay, so next is 1 bat rate we got, that is 525. अब क्या 525 minus this is your ball, it is given 297. Okay, so 297 है। अभी हमें पता है कि हम इसको क्या करेंगे, साइड्स को चेंज कर देंगे, बॉल को हम राइट हैंड साइड में ले आएंगे, नंबर को यहाँ ले आएंगे, तो इनका क्या हो जाएगा, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा। सो इट विल बी माइनस 297 इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ बॉल, ये क्या आपकी बॉल है। ओके, सो 15 माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 8, 11 माइनस 2, 4 माइनस 2, 2। सो ये आपके पास किसकी वैल्यू आ गई है, 1 बॉल का रेट आ गया है, और ये था आपका 1 बैट का रेट। ठीक है, अब हमें क्या निकालना है, हमें निकालना है एक बैट और एक बॉल का वैल्यू कितना होगा। एक बॉल की वैल्यू इतनी है और एक बैट की वैल्यू हमें पता है 525, इनको ऐड करेंगे अब हम। सो 8 + 5 13, 2 + 2 4, कैरी एक आएगा हमारा, सो इट विल बी 5, 5 + 2 7, 753। ऑप्शन सी इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस। Next is the difference of two number is this. Okay, what is given, result is given already. Okay, so what is the result given, result is we are subtracting two numbers. Suppose we are taking two numbers as x and y, so x minus y is equal to 8963. now the greater number is दिस 56,489। अब हमें पता है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन जब हम करते हैं तो बड़े में से छोटे व नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं। सो एक्स को हमने क्या वैल्यू गिवन है, दैट इज़ 56,489 माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 8,963। ओके, सो हमें स्मॉलर नंबर निकालना है। स्मॉलर नंबर कैसे निकालेंगे भाई, वाई को इस साइड ले आओ, इसको यहाँ पे ले आएंगे, यहाँ पे ये पॉजिटिव है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आएगा तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। सो इसमें से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 8,963। ओके, सो 9 माइनस 3 6, 8 माइनस 6 2, 14 माइनस 4 इज, यही होता है ना, wrong, it's 5. Okay, 15 minus 7 8 7 4. So let's check whether it is matching. Next is we have to do round off to the nearest 100. अब nearest 100 पे हमें round off करना है, तो दिए आपका 100 है। अब राउंड ऑफ करने की कंडीशन क्या होती है, अगर आपका ये नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है, इफ़ दैट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 5 देन वी विल round off the number. How will we round off, we will add 1. So here this is 2 is less than 5, so rounding, after rounding off we will get this. So option D is our answer. Question number 10, HCF of two numbers is 24, then two numbers can be. अब HCF का मतलब क्या होता है, HCF का मतलब होता है कि highest common factor. Now if we go to option A, 24 and 12, if we see 24, yes it is, you can, but 12 is less than 24, so it is not a correct answer. If we move to 72 and 96, so 72, if you check 72, is it multiple of 24? Let's check. 24 को अगर आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 से, सो यू विल गेट 72। 24 को अगर आप 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपके पास क्या आएगा, 96। सो दोनों में क्या कॉमन है, 24 कॉमन है, सो ऑप्शन बी इज़ योर करेक्ट आंसर। अगर आप ऑप्शन सी देखते हैं तो 36 में इज़ नॉट we are not having 24 as a factor, so this is not our answer. Option B is our correct answer. Again 16 and 18 both are less than 24, so इसमें तो common factor हो ही नहीं सकता 24.